Hello my friends, it's 20th of December today. Let me know if you've been following me with opening all the Jenny countdowns to Christmas boxes. I would love to know how many of you are following with me. Today I am going to open the box number 20 and I wonder what surprise we have today. One, two, three, four. Only 5 left. Well, I think this feels like fabric. Let's see. Doesn't open very easy. Does it? Okay. Yeah, there's some lovely fabrics. Let's have a look what fabrics we have. It's a panel. It looks like a pre-printed panel with lots of little pieces, but it doesn't have any instruction. I wonder if the instruction will come with the in next boxes, because this is quite specific sizes. And I will need to know what to do with it. Or maybe it's somewhere on the Missouri Star Quilt website. I don't know, we'll see. But this is a very nice piece. And I think it's probably worth 15 to 16 pounds, maybe 20. Let's say 20. And I am looking forward to make something out of it. Alright, I will see you tomorrow. We only have 21, 2, 3, 4, 5, only 5 boxes left. Only 5? Or is it 4? 5? I don't know. Sleep Still Christmas. I'm excited. Are you? I will see you tomorrow. Bye.